Hi guys, welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle is a medium Sudoku regular puzzle in today's newspaper of Wednesday. Yes, it's Wednesday, March the 8th, 2023. I've already solved one puzzle, one regular puzzle. Two puzzles are left. The killer Sudoku, aka Sudoku Mix, and the medium Sudoku. By the way, in this newspaper we have also an additional with extra puzzles. 7 extra puzzles, half of them I will solve, but those puzzles I will do in the evening. Alright, let me continue with this one. The medium Sudoku number 6081. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26 printed digits. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars and the 4 stars Sudokus in the additional, it will be a 2 stars puzzle. And for 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit, 15 to 20 minutes. Is this really a 2 stars? We don't know. We will see, so let's get started. Oh, apologies. Let me see. Which number can I pick? How about yeah 5, alright. 7, 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row. So the row above, only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in the last column, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 6 in the first row, 6 in the second row. So the third row, only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in the last column, no 6 there, 6 should be there. Okay. 6 in the first column, 6 in the third column. So the column between the second column, only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in this row, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 6 in the last row, 6 in that row. So the row between, the only place left for the 6 should be there. And all the 6's are used, I can see. Digit number 1, number 6, alright. Okay. Then let me see. We have a 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. Let me see. Well, I need to wait. 2, 4, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in the last row, so no 4 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 in this big square should be there. Then. How about 3 here? 4. I'm thinking. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are, the 1 is missing, 2 is missing, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 is missing. 1, 2, 8. 1, 2, 8, 1, 2, 8, 1, 2, 8. Well, cannot fill this yet, but we have 1 in the last row, in one of these 3 boxes in the last row. We have a 1 in the row above, so that row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this column, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1, 1, 1. 1, okay. Then 2. Yeah. 6, 9. 1, 4. 4. 8, 8. Still thinking. 2, 2. Need a 2 there. Need a 2 here. 1, 2, 8. 1, 2, 8. 2, 5, 7. 2, 5, 7, 2. 3 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, the 6 and the 7 is missing. 2, 5, 7. 2, 5, 7, 2, 5, 7, 2, 5, 7. And look, we have a 2 and a 7 here in this column. So no 2 and a 7 in this box. So 1 digit left should be the 5. 2 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7. Oh, wait. And now 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in this row, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5. Should be there. 1, 2, 8. 1, 2, 8. 1, 2, 8. 1, 2, 8. So these 3 missing numbers are 1, 2, 8. We have a 2 in this column, 2 in the column next. So the last column, only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in one of those 3 boxes in the last row, so no 2 there. 2 should be there. 1, 2, 8. Okay. Here we have 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2. 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 3 and the 9, 3 and the 9. That means those 2 missing numbers in this row are the numbers the 1, the 2, the 3. 4 is missing, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. And let me mark those. 3, 7, 9. 3, 7, 9. 3, 7, 9. Okay. Then 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4. 4, 4. 4, 4. 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4. Okay. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. 8, 8. 5. Need a 5 there. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in this row, so no 5 in this box. So the 5 could be here, here, or there. We see another 5 here in the 3rd column, so no 5 there. 5 could be here, could be there. 5 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, 5 in that row, so the row between the middle row, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 3, 7, 4. 3 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing number in this row is the number 7 in the middle row. We have a 7 in this column, so no 7 there. Here can be 7 because we have a 7 in the middle column, so no 7 there. So the only place left for the 7 should be there. 3 and the 4 are left. 3 and the 4. We have a 4 in the middle column, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 1, 2, 9, 9, 9. Oh no, 1, 2, 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 4. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this row, so no 4 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 in this big square should be there. So 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 2 are missing. 1 and the 2, 1 and the 2. 3 and 7. Alright, okay. Now 5, 5. 8, 8, 4, 4. 4 and 8. We have a 4 already in this column, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 8 goes there. 3, 7, 9. 3, 7, 9. Okay. 3, 7. Come on. 1, 1. 1, 1, 1. 9, 9. 9, yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in the second row, so no 9 in these two boxes. We have a 9 in this column, so no 9 in those two boxes. So the 9 in this big square could be here. Could be there. Not here. Because we already have a 9 there. So this can be 9, okay. So we have a 9 in one of those two boxes in the last column, 9 in that column, so the column 3, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square volume is the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing, 3 and the 7, 3 and the 7. So 1 is left in this column for the other 1, the 2, 3 is missing. So we have a pair, I believe. No, not a pair. 5, 5. Need a 3 here. Yeah. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row. So the row above the only place left for the 3 should be there. 3 and a 9, we have a 3 in the first column, no 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 9 goes in there. 3, 3. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have 1 in this column, so no 1 there. Here we have a 1 in one of those two boxes. In this row, so no 1 there, so the only place left for the 1 should be there. 2 missing numbers. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, and the 8 is missing. 7 and 8. 7 and 8. Cannot fill this yet. Well, not true. We have an 8 here in this row, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 3 and a 7, we have a 7 in the last column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 5, 2, 6. 5, 2, 7. 2, 7. 2, 7, 9. 3 missing numbers in the third column. Those missing numbers are the 1, 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, and 8. No, the 8 and the 9 is missing. 2, 7, 9. 2, 7, 9. 2, 7, 9. 2, 7, 9. And look, we have a 9 in this row, so no 9 there. Look, we have a 9 in that row, so no 9 there. So the only place left for the 9 should be there. So now we have 2 missing letters, numbers, the 2 and the 7, 2 and the 7. We have a 7 in the second row, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 2 goes there. 2, 2. Yeah. I've marked those two boxes earlier with a 9. Now we have a 9 there. So this box can be a 9 more. That box should be a 9. 1, 2, 3. 3 in the last column, 3 in the column next, so that column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here. Or there, you see here 3 in the second row, no 3 there, 3 should be there. Two missing numbers in the last column. For numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. So 1 digit left in this big square. For numbers, for the number, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. 1 box left in the second row. For numbers, for the number 1, the 2, 3, 4 and 8, 4 and 8. Do we have an 8 in this column? No 8 there. Yeah, 4 and 8. Oh, can it be an 8? Of course, we have an 8 here. So this box should be a 4. That box should be an 8. 1 box left in this big square for number 4. Almost finished, almost finished. Here we have also the numbers 1, the 2 is missing, 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. 1, 2, 1, 2, 8, 1, 2, 8. Okay, 1, 1, 3, 3. 3 in the first row, 3 in the second row. So in the third row, there are only 2 places left for the 3 should be here. Oh, there, we see a 3 in the first column, no 3 there, 3 should be there. Three missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in the first row, so no 7 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 in this big square should be there. Can I count? Yeah, no, not really. 2 and a 7, we already have a 7 now in the first column, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 2 goes there. Now I can count, and all the 7s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 3. 2 missing numbers in this big square. Wait, 2 and a 5. We already have a 2 here in the first column. No 2 there. 2 should be here, and 5 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For us, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6 and 7 and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have 8 in the second column. No 8 there. 8 should be here, and 5 goes there. 2 missing numbers in the first row. For us, the 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 2 and 4, 2 and 4. We have a 4 in this column. No 4 there. Not 2 and a 4. So correction. 4 and a 1. 4 and a 1. Almost made a mistake. 4 and a 1. 4 and a 1. We have a 4 in this column. No 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 and 2. We have 1 now in this column. No 1 there. 1 should be here, and 2 goes there. The 1 in this column, the 1 in the middle column, so the column next to only place left for the 1 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2. Sorry, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have a 2 in this column. No 2 there. 2 should be here, and 8 goes there. 2 in this column. 2 in the middle column, so the column next to only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 final numbers in this big square. The numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. Yeah, 2 final numbers in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have a 5 in this column. No 5 there. 5 should be here, and 8 goes there. Alright, thank you for watching. Completed in 90 minutes. Well, definitely a 2 stars. Definitely a 2 stars. Not easy one, but we solve again. We solve it again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle of today, the Killer Sudoku, aka Sudoku Mix. Bye bye for now.